हेलो बच्चों, all going good? चलो, class today got a bit late. Let's start fast. चलो, थोड़ा सा टाइम टेबल भी आप लोगों का दे देते हैं जल्दी से, ठीक है? Hi Nirmal bro. Hi Nishat ma'am. Today got a bit late. I was not a bit well. Some work also came. Chalo. Let's start now. Will be and your schedule and everything I'll just send out now. Chemistry video I'm uploading right now with you all. So once I've uploaded, I'll be telling you to check it once. जल्दी से बच्चों रिवाइज कर लो थोड़ा सा न्यूक्लियाई को, ठीक है? 2 से 3 मिनट में क्लास शुरू होने वाली है. विल बी स्टार्टिंग इन 2 to 3 minutes. So just pack up your bags and be ready. चलो. सारे बच्चे पढ़ लिए, जल्दी से रिवाइज कर लो। कितने बच्चों ने स्टेटस डाला, नहीं डाला, थोड़ा डाल देना ब्रो, और मैं भेज दे रहा हूँ अभी। जस्ट अभी केमिस्ट्री अपलोड हो रहा है, 2 से 3 मिनट में अपलोड हो जाएगी केमिस्ट्री आपकी, ठीक है। मैं एक मैसेज डाल दूंगा, आप सबको चेक कर लेना, ऐप पे फ्री में रहेगा, सबको देख सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो यू विल बी एबल टू एक्सेस ऑल द केमिस्ट्री वीडियोस, एंड मैथ्स के भी जो यूट्यूब के वीडियोस हैं उनको भी मैं डाल दिया हूँ एडिट करके इस पर हल्का सा, तो वो भी सारे ऐप के थ्रू एक्सेसिबल हो जाएंगे, एंड सबके लिए आप एक्सेसिबल हो जाएंगे, तो आप लोग वहाँ से देख लो। और क्या बचा आपका जो टाइम टेबल है, वो भी मैं जस्ट थोड़ा सा डिज़ाइन कर रहा हूँ, वो भी दे देता हूँ, ठीक है। चलो तब तक न्यूक्लियाई का चैप्टर पढ़ाते पढ़ाते थोड़ा सा डिज़ाइन भी कर लेते हैं, ठीक है। हमारे डिज़ाइनर सर कहाँ गए? चलो, so everybody just go fast with the nuclei, not much is there, few formulas, okay. भाई समीक्षा पटेल मैम, बहुत सारे बच्चे ज्वाइन नहीं किए हैं ना, मैं एक बार डाल देता हूँ। कार्तिकेय किया, ये नहीं किया। लकी ब्रो, लकी इज नॉट देयर। संदेश ब्रो किधर गए? इंटरनेट नॉट प्रॉपर उनका भी। फिर एक्टिव आप लोग ग्रुप में तो बहुत थे, अभी कहाँ गए बच्चे? फास्ट 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 एवरीबडी कम फास्ट। यस सर, टेक स्टार्टअप बन चुके हैं, यूनिकॉर्न हो चुका उनका। यूनिकॉर्न अगली बहुत पहले ही हो गया था, बट अभी फुल्ली प्रॉपर वे में आ चुका है। कार्तिकेय ज्वाइंड, चलो वेयर इज लकी ब्रो, लकी। तो एक चीज़ याद रखो बच्चों, वॉट एवर हैपन्स, ठीक है, अगर आप हार्ड वर्क करते रहते हो, एंड इफ यू डोंट गिव अप, यू विल बी डेफिनेटली बिकमिंग बिग वन डे, ठीक है। मे बी नॉट नाउ, इट विल टेक सम टाइम, इट टेक्स, बट you should not give up the hard work. आप बच्चों बाई 10th तक, चूंकि हमारे लगभग सारे चैप्टर्स भी कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे, सो हाँ मैं नोट्स भी अपलोड कर दे रहा हूँ, हाफ मंथ, नो इश्यूज, नोट्स भी मैं अपलोड कर दे रहा हूँ। वो नोट्स आप लोग अपने फ्रेंड से भी शेयर कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो नेक्स्ट क्या है कि by 10th we'll be finishing up the whole one round of the whole syllabus. So you will be I'll be putting up the test part, chapter test थोड़ा सा delay हो रहा है, chapter test and mock test. So by 10th it will be there, okay. So chapter test also you'll have the chapter test paper, and you'll have the full mock test paper also. 3 mock tests, 3 for CET, 3 for COMEDK, and chemistry भी रहेगा उसमें bro. Chemistry भी अभी upload ही हो रहा है, just net थोड़ा speed का ये है. All files are like around 1 GB, 2 GB, तो थोड़ा सा upload होने में time लग रहा है. बस it is on the process of uploaded. The moment it is done, I'll put a message. Don't worry, Sam. ठीक है. और कुछ है बच्चों? चलो, तो न्यूक्लियस चैप्टर में ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं बच्चों, ठीक है, फिर भी बहुत ही सिंपल सा कंसेप्ट है, ठीक है. हाय लकी ब्रो, टाइम टेबल आई अपडेट, सो विच चैप्टर्स यू हैव नॉट डन, एंड इवन इफ यू हैव डन, तो अगर डन हो गया तो क्या करना, क्लास में आके जस्ट जो क्वेश्चन है टारगेट करना 30 सेकंड्स में सॉल्व करने का. इफ यू ऑलरेडी डन, या ब्रो यूट्यूब पे ही कराऊंगा, थोड़ा सा जितने दोस्त लोग हैं उनको इन्फॉर्म कर देना, ठीक है. इसलिए सारा यूट्यूब पे ही डाल दिया, टेंशन मतलब. सारे क्लासेस अभी डायरेक्ट यूट्यूब पे ही जा रहे हैं, ठीक है. यूट्यूब पे थोड़ा साउंड और बाकी सारे इश्यूज प्रॉपर है, तो गूगल मीट से ज़्यादा अच्छा इधर जा रहा है, तो इधर ही करा देते सारा। चलो इस ग्रुप में तो मैंने डाल दिया, बट ग्रुप के सारे बच्चे तो नहीं आए। चलो, where is Gokul? These days I'm not seeing him also. रिवाइज कर लिया बच्चों आप लोगों ने? लोहित ब्रो, संदेश दोनों गायब है, रात भर जागा है लोग। ठीक है, आज का टाइम टेबल क्या है सर? अभी डाल रहा हूँ, तीन सारे डाल दे रहा हूँ। क्लास फिनिश होने से पहले सारा कुछ हो जाएगा, जो जो पुरानी चीजें बची हैं सारा कुछ विल बी डन। चलो, अभी पहले न्यूक्लियाई है, न्यूक्लियाई के बाद एक गणित का चैप्टर है। गणित का चैप्टर करने के बाद हमारे सेमी वाले भैया होंगे, सेमी कंडक्टर। सेमी कंडक्टर करने के बाद फिर गणित होगा। आई एम इन लोहित। चलो, लोहित आ गया। आपके दोस्त किधर है लोहित ब्रो? वेर इज योर फ्रेंड? ये बोथ आर फ्रॉम मैसूर, नो? संदेश ब्रो, वेर इज ही? कॉल कर ही देता हूँ मैं संदेश को भी, और इधर समीक्षा मैम को। हाय जयदीप। Just revise 1 minute or 2 minutes more, Jaydeep. Okay. Nuclei part we are starting right now. ठीक है. Oh, hi Gokul. अभी आपको ही मैसेज कर रहा था मैं. I was just about to put a message to you. Where is Gokul bro? Everybody is there. Only Samiksha ma'am is not there from. Okay, sure. So let me put the chapter nuclei. कितने questions हैं nuclei के? Hi Sandesh bro, why late? Why so late? Time to correct the screen. Questions will be live now. All be ready. मैं 8 बजे बोला था, थोड़ा सा हेल्थ प्रॉपर नहीं था, तबीयत थोड़ा ज़्यादा खराब लग रहा था, इसलिए लेट हो गया। और फिर कुछ अर्जेंट वर्क आ गए तो थोड़ा बाहर निकलना पड़ गया। ठीक है, हाँ ये भी कर सकते हैं। मॉर्निंग का टाइम फ्री कर देते हैं आप लोगों के लिए, तो आप लोग सुबह में कैंप पढ़ सकते हो। तो फिर हाय ऋतिक, हाय निर्मल, रेडी? चलो सब रेडी हो गए, स्क्रीन में पुट कर देता हूँ तब। तो मॉर्निंग का टाइमिंग आप लोग केमिस्ट्री याद करने के लिए भी सुबह सुबह अच्छा रहेगा। ठीक है, मॉर्निंग का टाइम। हाय पूर्विका। हाय समीक्षा मैम। हाँ तो फिर मॉर्निंग का, हाय शेफाली, मॉर्निंग का टाइम विल फिक्स इट फॉर, क्या बोलते हैं आप लोग की केम क्लास के लिए, ठीक है। लेट्स सी। अब मैम के लेक्चर्स आप लोग सुबह देख लेना। चलो, सो साउंड एंड वीडियो बहुत क्लियर, साउंड ऑन द स्क्रीन बिंदास क्लियर है बच्चों, देख लो। Hi Purvika ma'am, see, solving PYQ is never enough, understand. But if you're getting the concept, how you're using it, you'll be in a much more better state. And plus there is one thing, the more you study, the more you need to revise. Right now, the timeline what you have, if you're able to revise this much, you'll be able to score 40, 45 plus. If you're able to understand the concept what I'm applying, not just mugging up. Okay. If you are understanding the way things are, okay, two current is given, if they're going in same direction, means they'll attract each other, means here the formula is used. So 80 to 90% of the questions which are coming in CT and COMEDK, they're concept directly formula based and concept based. If you're understanding the concept, you will be able to solve 80%. If you're able to solve 80%, you'll be getting good marks. See, PYQ also is a question paper and extra questions also is a question. So whenever you're doing one question, just understand is what is the question telling me and how do I approach that problem. Because in that question, even if you solve 10,000 questions and even in one question you solve, what is say 20 concepts, same thing. You need to understand how you are applying the concept. After one line, how you're going to the next line, if you're getting that, you'll be able to rock. Okay, no issues. I've seen a lot of students and I have done with a lot of students previous years also. We have just done the PYQ from the kids who were there in the 95,000 rank. They came around 2,700, 2,600 just by solving the PYQ. But you need to understand why after one step I'm going to the next, why I'm applying this formula. So that same thing. If it is the same question, just a bit values are changed, you'll get the same thing. Correct. चलो, we'll start from 2021. पीछे से start करते हैं. We'll come back. ठीक है. So 21 question paper was a bit, what do you say? We don't have bit different from normal. Okay. It was a bit tougher side on the 2021 paper. Normally paper is coming a bit easy. Okay. Chalo. This is the 20 on year 2021 because CT exam was not the second PU exam was not there. So CT was tough. COMEDK was also bit because student got a lot of time also. So we cannot complain. Here the exams are back to back, less time. So it should not be. Okay, it entirely depends on the COMEDK and CT people, but it should not be this tough. Okay, chalo. Still not all the chapters were tough. Still, if previous years also students were able to score 1K rank, 2K rank easily, then it is not that tough. Okay, compared to other years, a bit on the harder side, standard questions. So the first question on your screen, a nuclear reactor, heavy nucleus, is not used as a moderator because. Now think on this question. Everybody think on this question. Very simple, very easy. चलो we start getting answers. B question mark. चलो ये तो थोड़ा सा यूनिक था. B question mark. ऐसा नहीं लिखना. Confidence, right or wrong doesn't matter. Go with an idea, sir. This is my concept. I wrote that's why B. This is the reason. ठीक है, कोई इशू नहीं. Concept wrong हो सकता, we'll clear it. Chalo, first everybody, you need to understand what is a moderator. What is a moderator, everybody? Yesterday we wrote it down. Moderators, what they do? See, first thing, the concept what should come mind. What is the work of a moderator? Moderator का काम है slow down करना. किसे bro? तुझे, मुझे, किसे? कहानी पूरा बताओ. The work of the moderator is to slow down the neutrons which are coming out very fast in the fission. After every fission, what happens? One nucleus I have taken, neutron I have taken, and it is breaking the uranium, let's say. So after that I get 3 neutrons. So I don't want these 3 to be there. I just want only 1 to be there. So I want these to be gone permanently. So what I do? I use a moderator. So here everybody, now a nuclear reactor. So first thing is, if you see, they will break up. Okay, one thing, like we'll see what they will do with the breakup part. Elastic collision of neutrons with heavy nuclei will not slow them down. This part is correct, because if I do a collision with a very heavy nucleus, okay, and a neutron, it won't slow it down. Okay. The net weight of the reactor should be unbearably high, nothing to do with the weight. Substances with heavy nuclei do not occur in liquid or gaseous state, nothing like that. Okay. So among first 2 options we have, one is elastic collision of neutrons with a heavy nucleus, because see, my main target is to slow them down. If they're not able to slow them down, I can do, my whole purpose of moderator is gone. Okay. And second time, one more thing we see. Okay. See, now here a lot of people, they'll have difficulty. Sir, why will elastic collision of neutron with a heavy nuclei will not work? You said, sir, correct. But why will it not work? See, for a elastic collision, bro, the masses have to be same. The masses, when they're exchanging, like let's say this is a body with 10 kg coming and colliding with a body, another body with 10 kg. Then it can stop. One body is of 1 kg, another colliding with 100 kg. Will it be able to come and stop it? Tell me. If these 2 collide, will it be able to come and stop? Illa. Not possible. So one is a very heavy nuclei. Okay. So we cannot stop it like that. Clear? So heavy nucleus, what it does? It can change the direction. It is coming here. The neutron came and attacked, and it can go this side, can go this side, but it won't be able to stop it. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone? Chalo, yes, no. If you didn't get it, put a D. If you got it, put a ND. We'll go for the next question. Chalo, everybody got it? The simple point, for elastic collision to happen and to be good, we need comparable mass. Clear? So that one can stop. See, one is very strong fighter, the other is like a very weak fighter, not eaten food for 10 days. How can it stop it? Correct? Chalo. Next question of 2021. Very simple, very easy. Okay, right, everybody. Take your time, think about all the angles and then give an answer. The next question is very simple. Again, students, it is a plot of potential energy graph with the energy graph between a pair of nucleons. What are the pair of nucleons? In nucleus, what it says, what is it? Proton and neutron, and along with the separation, lot of people they wrote D part. Okay, okay. Let's see. Now, first, whenever we talk about nuclear force, what are the properties of nuclear force? Very short range force. They are attractive in nature and extremely strong, independent of the charge. Correct. Now, for the distances which are like less than certain region, what they do? Two things happens. If you remember, everybody, two things happens. For a distance which is near, they behave differently. For a distance which is far, they behave differently. So these are the points that you need to keep in mind while thinking about the graph. So everybody wrote D, 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 D. Okay, graph is correct. What is the reason for you all for D? Chalo, anybody write down the reason for you all for writing D? You all are writing D. Okay, that is correct. But what is the reason for that? Option verification. Okay. How did you verify the option? Let's see. Chalo, not bad. You can check with the option checking also. Okay. Option checking also, what you can see, this similar graph, rule out this one. Correct. Now among this is electron volt, kilo electron volt, this is mega electron volt. Now within certain range it is very strong. So I can go directly, yeah. Correct. You can remember sir NCERT ka graph, we can do that. Okay. Why A bro? Why A? हाँ मेगा पे ए और इस पे, हाँ चलो ठीक है. बट नो सी करेक्ट. बट फर्स्ट ग्राफ को प्रायोरिटी दो. ये थोड़ा सा चेकिंग में ध्यान देना. ग्राफ को पहले प्रायोरिटी दो. ये तीनों ग्राफ देखो सेम नेचर का है. उधर का ग्राफ उल्टा है. ओके. The first three graphs are of same nature. Give that one priority. Then after that go for the other. Because यहाँ पे तीन कॉमन है, वहाँ पे एक कॉमन है. That is correct, Sandesh. I got your point. Mega electron volt is same. But what is didn't get? I'll explain without the trick also. See, first the trick part. If you're those who are applying the trick to get this answer, not bad. See here. If you see, give the priority though to which one, which is coming more. See, mega, two times it is coming. Okay. So instead of giving this the priority, see this graph, and this graph, three times it is repeated. So what will be my priorities on this? This on the graph. After the graph, I'll select, I have one EV, KEV and mega. I know that nuclear force, how much it is very strong. Then only it is able to hold the, neutrons and protons together. It is able to, it is so strong that the proton repulsion also it is able to take care, more than the electrostatic force also. So after that you can put. So everybody got the trick part. Everybody got it from the trick part first. Then I'll go with the actual method also. So always in trick, understand which part that which has to be given more priority. Okay. But again, But again, you can't do anything. You have to check also. You can't do anything. Sometimes you have to check also whether I'm going correct or not. Now, next, what does this shows? If my graph is up now, coming to the original, since it is an NCERT graph, everybody should remember. Coming to the original part, what does it shows? Attraction, attraction or repulsion? Tell me fast. What does this first part shows? That in this part it is positive. It means within a certain region, when the electron, what is it, protons and neutrons are very together, protons and neutrons are together, it is attracting them. It is attracting them. Correct. When they are within the nucleus region, within the nucleus boundary region, it is attracting them. The moment they are going far than the nucleus region, it is repulsive. It is repulsive. Correct. Because see, within this region it is plus, and then it is strong, so it is mega electron volt. Clear everyone, Karthik? Clear everyone? हाँ ना, कुछ भी बता दो बच्चों जल्दी थोड़ा सा. समझ आया बच्चों? Yes, no, fast. Did you all get it? Chalo, chalo. Good. For those who didn't get it, do tell me. I'll again explain if needed. Chalo. So question was not that difficult. You could have guessed it also, and we could have done like this. Chalo. Let's go for a different question of 2020. Let's see. Two protons are kept at a separation of 10 nanometer. Okay. Now Fn and Fe be the nuclear force and the electromagnetic force between them. Now you have to figure out. Try. Chalo everybody. Everybody is writing C, D, C, D, C, D, B. Oh, we got B also. Two protons are kept at a separation of 10 nanometer. अब देखो ये जो है मेमोरी का खेल है. You need to know what is the separation. जहां तक potential energy positive है. ठीक है. So here you're more than understanding. It is a question of mugging up. What is the mugging part? टेन नैनोमीटर कितना होता है बच्चों? 10 नैनोमीटर कितना होता है? 10 into nanometer means 10 power minus 9 meter. So 10 power minus 8 meter. And what we know about? We got it, madam, but we need to know. See, everybody, write down everybody. See, nuclear force, short range force, okay, it works for this region, Fermi meter. Okay. So within this region, if something is within the Fermi range, that is then 10 power minus 15 centimeter, if that's why few values also it's important. If the separation between particles is less than this much, then nuclear force is like the boss. Nuclear force is boss. Okay. If separation is greater than 10 power minus 15, then it is negligible. Then nuclear force is like dead. Negligible. Nuclear force is negligible. See. Clear everyone? Got it? So here electrostatic is like the boss. Clear? So what is the region? Fermi meter. Everybody say it. Fermi meter. Fermi meter means 10 power minus 15 meter. Okay. In that region it is strong. After that it is not. Correct? Chalo. Clear everyone? Few Fermi also. It can go 1 Fermi, 2 Fermi also, but Fermi region only. Okay, not more than that. Clear everyone? Exact reason everybody got cleared? Chalo. So answer will be what? Answer will be what? C. Fe is much greater than Fn. Chalo. Can we move on to the next question, students? Chalo. Let's see the next question on your screen of radioactive element. Let's see who can do it. Somebody wrote D 0.75. Okay. Let's see. So for everybody, okay, we got a bit delayed in the test part, but yeah, by 10th chapter test plus your this one form test, mock test, 3 mock tests will be uploaded in the app, so you can go and what do you say? Write it down. All the chapters it will be there. Per chapter, around 20 questions we have given. Okay, it won't be a difficulty for you all also. Chalo. Let's see D. We got D. A lot of people answered D. Okay, chalo. Let's see. A radioactive element has half-life of 15 years. Okay, half-life is given. Now next, what they're asking, what is the fraction that will decay in 30 years? In 30 years. So 0.75. How many people wrote 0.75 and which formula you applied? Nobody wrote which formula. One minus 1/4 basic maths. Okay, good. Chalo, everybody got it. So do you want me to explain this one? Because 3/4 it will be decayed. Okay, in the next 30 years it will be decayed 3/4. So 0.75. Do you want me to explain? If somebody wants, I'll just show it. See, you know this formula n by n naught is equal to half power t half. So here small t by capital T. So small t is given what? 30 years, half period 15. So n by n naught is equal to what? Half power 2. So you will get that 1/4 and then minus correct. Chalo. Nobody has doubt in this, no? Since nobody has doubt, I'll skip. I'll go for the next question. Chalo, everybody. Next question on your screen. A very simple question, very simple, direct, straight, point to point they have asked. You just have to know the mug-up knowledge. That's it. Nothing more than that. देख रहा है बच्चा को डिडंट रिवाइज हाँ सो हाँ भैया अल्फा बीटा गामा कल ही बताए थे ना dual nature atoms nuclei what we did 3 kind of decay this concept not clear chalo everybody Chalo, everybody has written this yes, no, yes, no. First, everybody just see this, okay? Just go through this once. See what you're able to understand. I'll explain. 1 minute, I'll explain. First, when an alpha decay happens, 4 loss in the mass, 2 loss in the charge. Okay. When a beta decay happens, beta decay is said by 2 types of beta decay. Beta minus, beta plus. In beta minus, there is a gain of the charge, and in beta plus there is a loss of the charge, and gamma no change in the mass or charge. Okay, chalo, koi baat nahi. So basically, first understand, when we are talking about what is a decay means what? Something is given out. So when the first alpha happens, when the alpha decay happens, what happens? A helium particle comes out. What happens? Helium particle comes out. We know helium is what? 2 times the charge of proton and 4 times the mass of proton. So 4 will be reduced in the mass and 2 will be reduced in the charge. Clear this part? Yes or no? Alpha particle clear or not? Do tell me fast. Alpha clear or not, kids? Alpha clear or not? Alpha clear or not, kids? Clear? Now next beta happens. In beta, 2 things happens. Beta minus, beta plus. In beta minus, what happens? A neutron breaks into proton plus electron and an antineutrino. And in beta plus, a neutron breaks into neutron plus a positron plus a neutrino. Clear? So here in beta minus, what happens? The charge goes up by 1. The charge goes up by 1. Okay? Clear? And here in this one, what happens? The charge goes down by -1. The charge goes down by 1. Clear, everyone? This part, don't go into much detail, no need. But this part, everybody till here clear? Now approach the same question. Now approach the same question. See if you are able to do or not. See if you are able to do or not. Chalo, clear. Let's go to the question. During a beta decay, what happens? A proton in the nucleus decays. So in a beta decay, they just said a proton in the nucleus decays, emitting an electron. An atomic electron is ejected. Electron which is already present in the nucleus is ejected. A neutron in the nucleus decays, emitting an electron. So beta decay, we see in both the condition what happens. In beta decay, what happens? So you can remember this way also. You can remember this way also. Beta minus, what happens? Screen didn't change. Check it, everybody. So if you can see, during both beta decays, just you have said beta minus. In beta minus, what happens? A neutron in the nucleus decays, emitting an electron. Correct. Beta minus, we are getting an electron. So who decays to give that electron? Neutron. That's it. Clear now, everybody? Clear now, everybody? Yes or no? Do tell me. Yes or no? Do tell me. Clear, everyone? Say yes, sir. Chalo. We'll go to the next question. Everybody got it? No difficulty? Chalo. Clear, clear, clear. Chalo. Let's go to the next question then. What if they ask for alpha? Now in alpha, they'll be asking, oh, what you say, you for, what you say, first they'll ask for the change, what is happening is, okay. And one more, let me write only, okay. Write down, everybody. For alpha also, if they ask, by seeing the equation, what we say, by alpha, let's say if it was alpha decay. During an alpha decay, what happens? So here also what happens is, everybody, in all the cases, the nucleus, here not the neutron, the nucleus, what it does, it emits an alpha particle. It emits an alpha particle. Yeah, I'll just speed up 1 or 2, 3 more questions, okay. It emits an alpha particle, okay. And after emitting this alpha particle, that nucleus transforms to a different atomic nucleus. That nucleus transforms to a different atomic nucleus. Like let's say X, A, Z was there, let's say. It gave to A minus 4, Z minus 2, some Y element and an helium particle. Clear? Clear, everyone? Clear, Soham? Clear, Soham? So whenever they say, you'll say the nucleus of the X particle, it decayed and gave an alpha, what do you say, during an alpha decay, it gave a helium particle and it changed to a different nucleus. That's it. Clear? Chalo. Let's see the next question fast. I think so you all have done this one. Try this one. Fast, everyone. Yeah, the net became weak. 1 second, just 1 second. Is it good now? Is it good now? Six four, 6-4. Nishat ma'am gave 6-4. What about others? Screen not visible. Okay. Just give me 1 second. 1 second. Almost getting it done. The screen. दिख रहा है बच्चों? Are you all able to see the screen, students? Are you all able to see the screen? Chalo. Are you all able to see the screen? Chalo. Good. Now try this. Now visible. Okay. The internet fluctuated, so the mirroring software failed. Okay. Nothing more than that. So everybody, what will be the answer? See, let's say from 232 thorium 90, it changed to Pb plumbum 82. So I don't know how many alpha and how many beta came. So, but I know whenever an alpha came, it will be 4 change in mass and X number change in charge. Okay. And whenever a beta particle is emitted, there will be no change in mass, but change in the charge part. So what I can do, first equation 90 is equal to what? 82 plus 2x minus y. Correct. So what we will get, 2x minus y is equal to what? 8. Now if you compare the mass number on top, what will happen? 232 is equal to 208 plus x. So x is equal to what? 6. How much we are getting? 232, 24. 24 we are getting. And this is equal to 4 into x. It should be 4x. Okay. So x is equal to what? 6. So x is equal to 6. Y if you put it, it will be 4. Done. Clear everyone? Did you all get this one or it went a bit bouncer? See, per change, how many change are there? From here to here, if you see the change, no need to solve. 24 is the change, correct? So per alpha, how many? 4 change. So how many alpha has to come? 6. And they have given alpha and beta. So directly I'll find just 6, 4. Done. Clear? Got it, everyone? Got it, everyone? Let's see the next question. Now they're telling that which of the following nuclei has a shorter mean life? Shorter mean life. Tell me fast, 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 students. Okay, we won't be able to give that much of time. Come on, be fast a bit. Now, what was the mean life formula I told you that time when while I was explaining? So mean life, everybody, mean life is nothing but half life divided by a constant ln2. Okay, so it depends on two things. Mean life is either equal to either equal to 1 by lambda, that is decay constant, or it is also equal to half life by ln2. Now here they have given us dn by dt. They have given us dn by dt. Okay. So what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Chalo. So everybody see, understand mean life, understand about the mean life. Mean life we can relate either with half life or we can relate with the decay constant. Now can anybody tell me how does dn by dt relate with dn by dt? How does it relate with? Which one we can relate dn by dt? Can I relate dn by dt with decay constant? Can I relate dn by dt with decay constant? See, I already told you, student, dn by dt, I gave this formula, is equal to minus of lambda n, correct? So now tell me what should be the answer. Anybody? Ma'am said B, some and Soham said A. What about others? We have to find out which one has shorter mean life, which one has shorter mean life. So how do we go about that? Let's see. Chalo, I'll only show. Let's see, everybody. Though those who got the answer B as A, that is correct. Answer B as A is correct. We can also go by now which graph has the highest slope. If I find dn by dt slope, okay, which one has the maximum slope? Anybody? Come on, come on. Answer A है, not option A. हाँ आंसर ए है, नॉट ऑप्शन ए. Correct. So everybody answer is A, not option A. See, let's redraw the graph. Nothing is there. Understand very carefully. Not much is there. Okay. So dn by dt is there like this. Three graphs. One is C, one is B, and one is A. So A has a sharper slope. Correct. If I see dn by dt is what is equal to minus of lambda part. So if you understand dn by dt means the slope. So here the slope is equal to directly proportional to activity. More is the slope, more will be the activity. More is the slope, more will be the activity. Okay, so which has the highest slope or maximum slope? If you see maximum slope, the maximum slope bending is for what? A. So if it has highest slope, so it has the least mean life, because it is inversely minus times negative. If your activity is higher, the mean life will be lower. If your activity is higher, the mean life will be lower. Clear, student? See, understand. First, you need to understand mean life. Mean life is inversely proportional to activity. Is inversely proportional to activity. So if you see the activity of A is highest, so its mean life will be lowest. Clear? Clear? Because if you see nucleus A has the steepest slope going down, the most going down is nucleus A. So if it has the steepest slope means it has the highest activity. So if it has the highest activity, then it will have the least mean life. Everybody now got it? Everybody now got it? Yes, no, yes, no, do tell me. If anybody has doubt, do tell me. If anybody has doubt, do tell me. If anybody has doubt, do tell me. Anybody? Yadip, you have doubt or you got it? Samiksha ma'am, Nishat ma'am. Those who have gave the correct answer also got the concept. The slope here gives us the activity. More slope, more is the activity. And activity is inversely proportional to mean life. If it has more slope, it has the least mean life. Sure. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? If you have doubt, do tell me. Let's go for the next question fast. Shall everybody a bit faster, bit faster. Clear, clear, clear. Good, good, good. Next question on the screen. Do solve it fast, everybody. Karthike D, Jaydeep D. The half-life of this, what mass of tritium of initial mass 64 gram will remain after 50 years? So 50 years means 4 half-life. From 64 it will go to 32, 32 half it will be 16, 16 half will be They have said what mass of tritium of initial mass 64 gram will remain undecayed. Simple question, don't do mistake. Four gram only, no students. See here, if I want to go from 12.5, one half life, next half life 25, I got one, two half life. From 25 to 37.5, three half life, and 37.5 to 50, four half lives. In the first half life, I have 64. When I started here, I have 64. Next, when I go, it goes half 32. Next, when I go, it goes half where? No. I started with here. After my first half life, it will be how much? 32. Okay. Next half life, if I went, it will be 16. Next half life, 8. Yeah, correct. And on the fourth, it will be 4. That's it. Clear everybody? D है ना? चलो. C क्यों लिख दिए थे? Everybody got it? See, when I first taken this part at 0 part, it is 64 gram. In next 12.5 years, it will be what? Half of that 64 gram, 32. In the next 25 years, it will be again half of that 16. Next 37.5 years, again half 8 gram. Next 50 years, it will be again half 4 gram. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo. Fast. This is not for you. Yeah, try this one fast. Come on, do you all know this one fast? A bit, Jaydeep, answer will be B only. See, moderator work is, see, to moderate means, see, if we send a moderator in school also, what does it mean? To calm down people. So moderator work is to, what say, decrease the speed. Absorber work is to reduce the number of neutrons, to reduce the number of neutrons. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo, try mass defect question. Fast students, fast. Are you all able to see? Chalo. B option, B option. Mass defect of helium is this much. The binding energy per nucleon. What is the formula you applied? Lohit got A. Okay. Let me show you Lohit. Chalo, everybody, let's see. See, they have given us delta M value is equal to 0.03. Okay. Now, E is equal to what? Delta M C square. So we already know C square value is what? 931.5 in mega electron volt. If you want that in mega electron volt, you will get this. So you'll get how much? 28 mega electron volt. Now they're asking that per nucleon. How many nucleons are there in helium? How many? 2 proton, 2 neutron. So total 4. So how many will be? So if you see 28 by 4, that will be around 7. So what is the answer? This one 6.9. Here I have done a bit rounding off. Otherwise you will get the exact answer. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Chalo. Next, fast. This one I want correct answer from all. Soham, Kartike, Samiksha ma'am. See, we can see 1 alpha is very common. Now we just have to check for beta. So how many beta decay? B answer we got 2, A answer most of it. Chalo, let's see everybody. So here what you can see, during a alpha decay, what happens? 4 will be changed in the mass number and 2 will be changed in the atomic number. So 4 change we can say by 1 alpha, but this 2 change, how do we get back to again? See, if I do 1 alpha here, 238.92, if I do 1 alpha, it will be 234 by 90. Now what I need? So I need 1 beta decay, so that in 1 beta decay it will be going to 91. So I need 2 beta decay, so it will be 234 by 92 again. So 1 alpha, 2 beta, 1 alpha, 2 beta. Clear everyone? Clear everyone? Pavitra ma'am, wrong ma'am. See, understand? See, the moment we have 1 alpha, the moment we have 1 alpha decay, 2 will be changed in the mass, and 4 will be changed in the mass, 2 will be changed in the charge. So this 90, how will I again it go back to 92? 2 beta decay you do. No change in mass, only increase in the number of electrons. Clear? Increase in the number of electrons. See, here ma. See, here in this beta minus, what happens? This down 1 increases by 1. Down 1 increases by 1. If I do 2 times of this, so what will happen? It will increase by 2. Beta decay. So that only we are doing it. That only we are doing it. Because whenever you do alpha, there will be a decay in down here. From 92 to it will become 90. Again, to bring it back to 92, we need 2 beta decay. Clear? Clear, ma'am? Clear, ma'am? Got it? Chalo. Done, done, done. This is the last year we are doing 2016. We'll be done with this. Okay. So after this, we'll take a break. 4 p.m. It will be like 4:15. 4:15 we'll again sit. We'll have a maths class. Okay. and chemistry file almost uploaded. You can go and check. Everybody go and check. You'll see first 4 there. Next is coming. Total 13 files you'll be seeing within half an hour. Total 13 files you'll be seeing within half an hour. Okay. Chalo. Everybody try to solve this one faster, faster. And what do you say, students? We'll do 3 years of paper and rest I'll leave it to you for you to do. In the revision sheet, I'll again take it. Okay. So what I'll do, 21, 20 and 19 I'll take care here. And then the other rest we'll do in the revision class. Okay. Our timetable also, I'm just putting it up. First, chemistry I have to upload. So chemistry is taking a bit time because live is also going, no? So right now 4:15 we have. Go in the, what do you say, course content, check the chemistry folder. You'll see first 4 files are unlocked. Go in the course content, bro. Revision का time कर लोगे ना, ठीक है चलो. So morning first, everybody keep it morning. No classes. It is for your chemistry part. Chemistry, whatever you want to revise, whatever it is. Morning we won't be able to start class. Okay. I'm just making the timetable along with you right now only. Don't worry. Timetable. This timetable we have is for 8th, today 8th, 9th and 10th. 11th we'll have a different timetable. I'll put up that also for these 3 days. I mean web में class. I didn't get you so app laptop में आता है. हाँ laptop में आता है. Laptop you can open the app in the classplusapp.com. Okay, you can open it in the laptop also. No issues. वेबसाइट में क्लास आती है. वेबसाइट पे आती है क्लास. You can open in the website and you can open what is it? You can open the app in the website and you can do it. Oh, you want it to put it in the online SAM classes website? I'll put there also, no issues. I'll put there also, no issues. Chalo. 7 p. See, today 4:30 p.m. we are starting with complex and quadratic of maths, one shot. Okay. 7 p.m. will be taking 7 p.m. 7 to 9 will be taking which class? Physics only. Physics, what is left? Semiconductor. 7 p.m. will start with 9. Solving this, not getting, no issues, bro. I'll just show. It's simple. I'll show. Chalo, 7 to 9 will be doing semiconductor. There will be a break. Okay. 9 to 10 there will be a break. Again 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. will be going for ten to 12. It can go one also max. 10 to 12 will be going for which one? What else? What else? What else? We cannot. We'll finish one more chapter of class 11th maths. That is what? PNC. Night maths is good. So PNC one shot will do it. So PNC one shot will be getting done. Okay, let me solve this. A nucleus of mass 20U now what is said? Nucleus of mass 20U is there. It is emitting what? A gamma photon. It is emitting a gamma photon of energy. Okay. So understand, students, how do we do it? Very simple, not much difficulty. First, let's break it down. Okay. So they have given gamma photon of energy 6 mega electron volt. So energy is given as 6 mega electron volt. सर कवर अप हो पाएगा सर? 3 दिन मिस किया, अभी टेंशन हो रहा है. टेंशन मतलब ब्रो, टेंशन से कुछ हो पाएगा? देखो, listen to this. Chinese people, they are good in what you say, sayings, old proverbs. Okay, there is a Chinese saying. Okay, if a problem has a solution, then there is no need to worry. And if the problem doesn't have a solution, then there is no need to worry. So worrying doesn't help anyway. Okay, ऑप्टिक्स कब? कल होगा. कल रे वेव बोथ हो जाएगा. ठीक है, चलो देख लो एवरीबॉडी. गिव मी अ कॉल आफ्टर द क्लास हाफ मून. ओके, डोंट वरी. सेमी छोटा है, 30 मिनट्स में कंसेप्ट हो जाएगा. 30 मिनट्स में अराउंड उसका ये भी हो जाएगा PYQ. इसलिए दोनों कंप्लीट करके फिर आज ऑप्टिक्स नहीं पकड़ेंगे. ऑप्टिक्स को थोड़ा सा अच्छे से जाना, क्योंकि क्वेश्चंस CT एंड कॉमेड के में भी अच्छे अमाउंट के हैं. सो आई विल टेक अ बिट टाइम, नॉट टू गो हरी इन दैट. ठीक है, ताकि आप लोग आराम से समझ सको. ठीक है, चलो. टुमारो विल डू ऑप्टिक्स, रे वेव बोथ. टुडे इफ पॉसिबल देन वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स. नथिंग इज देयर इन EM वेव्स. ठीक है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट करंट है, जस्ट थोड़ा बहुत है. थ्योरी डन, विल बी गेटिंग इट डन. चलो. So mega electron volt, convert that volt into joules. So 1.6 into 10 power minus 13 joules. Sorry, 19. So what we'll get? Then after that, energy we got converted. What about next? Come on, come on, come on, people. What about next? यहाँ तक तो हमें समझ आ गया कि a nucleus of mass 20U. Now what about to do this with the mass 20U? See, for the mass 20U, okay, they have given the value also. 20U, 1U is equal to how much? So the total mass will be equal to, mass is equal to 20 into 1.6, because the U value they have already given here. ठीक है, 1.6 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Clear? Now they're asking about if the emission assumes to occur when the nucleus is free and rest. Okay, then the nucleus will have kinetic energy nearest to. Okay, first find out momentum. Before going to kinetic energy, what is about momentum? Momentum of gamma photon will be what? Momentum is equal to what? E by c. This formula is very important, students, keep in mind. Momentum is equal to energy by speed of light. Okay. So now we know, according to the conservation of momentum, momentum of nucleus will be equal to what? Momentum of photon. Momentum of, if energy conservation, if you do, one photon is sent out and the nucleus is pushed back. So whatever the momentum it is gaining this side, same will be gained this side. Yes or no? So ACC, according to COMs, don't understand as center of mass, conservation of momentum. Momentum of nucleus is equal to momentum of photon. Correct. So momentum of nucleus also will get it as E by C. Correct. So we know kinetic energy in terms of momentum. Kinetic energy is equal to what? P square by 2m. So if I put P in place of P, E by C, what I'll get? E square by 2m C square. Correct, everyone? Correct, everyone? E square by 2m C square. Now what I'll do, I'm doing it here. I'll put the value. So K is equal to E square value is what? 6 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 whole square by 2 into, what is the mass? 20 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 27 into speed of light 3 into 10 power 8 whole square. If you solve it all, you will get around, what do you say, 1.6 into 10 power minus 16. You will get in joules. If you divide it, you will get around 100 kilo electron volt. You will get 100 EV, that is equal to 100 kilo electron volt. Everybody got this point? Check it once, check it once. It's good concept. This formula, you put it up, it's very important. This formula, mug it up, very important. Momentum equal to energy by speed of light. Momentum equal to energy by speed of light. Clear? मैम ने 12th का पार्ट कराया है because time was less. मैम had to go out also. And question answer series करा दिए. Previous years के I think so 3 or 4 papers का discussion होगा आपका. चलो, everybody got it till here? Everybody got this one? Yes, no, fast. Second PU part पूरा है लगभग. Second PU part. Which channel are you talking about? No other channel, Jaydeep. In this channel only, I'll be just putting in the app. If you go to the content, go to the course, no, and go in that, go to the content. Okay, you'll see one chemistry folder is there. There will be the lectures of ma'am for the chemistry part. Okay, chalo. Let's see everybody. Next question. Come on, bache. Come on. Hard nahi marna. Jaldi, jaldi. We have just 1, 2, 3 more questions. That's it, done. We'll finish in, what do you say, 2 to 3 minutes. Fast, everybody. Shall everybody solve this question? Very simple, very easy. I'll just give you 1 minute. Okay. Then I'll show it. We don't have that much time. Fast. An element X decays into Z by doing two processes. One alpha decay and then two electrons we are seeing. So what will be the change? Chalo, let me show you then. So here, whenever an alpha decay happens, what happens, students? Top 4 subtraction, down 2 subtraction, correct? And 4 2 helium, correct? Now this one, A minus 4, Z minus 2, it is going to another decay where it is forming A minus 4 and this is again coming back to Z. It means what? 2 times of beta. 2 times of beta. So 1 alpha happening and 2 times of beta. Okay. 2 electrons are added. Okay. So here if you see, this Z and this Z are same. So they're what? Same atomic number but different mass number. Same atomic number but different mass number. Clear? 2 electrons which went, we again added it here. 2 electrons which went, we again just added it here. So see, when X changed to Y, it was having, what is it? Z minus 2. It is Z, it is Z minus 2. The moment I added 2 extra electrons, what happened? Y became Z. So what? Different mass number, here it has A, here it has A minus 4. Different mass number but same atomic number, so isotopes. Clear everyone? Isotopes, clear? Got it everybody? Chalo, let's go to the next question. Everybody got? If you don't get, do say it fast. Time is less. Chalo, let's go for the next. Everybody, let's go for the next question fast. Come on, students, show energy. Everybody is down. What happened? So fast, if you lose your energy, then how will we finish the classes? What is the subjects and all we have to finish? Chalo. Chalo. Everybody wrote B, C. Okay. Now anybody having problems here, understand what they have given. Radioactive sample half-life they have given. Okay. And it contains some 1000x nuclei. So the number of original nuclei present after 5 days. So after 5 days, what will happen? Simple question, no? See here everybody. See it on the screen. Okay. Now they have given that half-life is 10 days. Correct. Initially when you started N0, initially is how much? 1000x. Correct. Check the data, what they have given. Initially 1000x. Next, half-life. See everybody, you should know how to write the data. 10 days. Time period they're asking after 5 days what will happen. Correct. So after 5 days, what is the formula? N is equal to N naught e power minus what? ln2 or 6.9.693 by t half into t. Correct. This formula also we can use. So n is equal to N naught is what? 1000 x e power. If you put it up, this is like our small t is 5, this is 10. So minus 6.693 into 5 by 10 means half. So 1000x e power minus 0.346. So what you'll get? Now this exponential value, you'll get the table to check the exponential part. It will be around 0.707. So it will be 707x. Clear? This value you have to check it from they'll give you the exponential table. Or one more method, bit easier than this. Let's see everybody. N is equal to, I gave this formula, N naught by 2 power n. So T is 10 days half-life, let's say. And the time which is given to me is equal to what? 5 days. So how many half-life is going? Half of the half-life. So n is equal to n naught is what? 1000x by 2 power half. How many half-life? Half of half-life. So 1000x by root 2. That is equal to 1000x by ये वाला आ जाएगा देख लो 1.414. If you bring it on top 1000x into 0.707. देखो ये वाला थोड़ा इजी है समझने में. Check everybody. देखो how many particle I'll have right now at time t, that is given by how many particle I started with by how many half-life 2 power the number of half-life it went. So I already know that my half-life is what? 10 days. So how many half-life I can go in 5 days? Half of the half-life. Correct. So my n value is equal to what? Half. And then solve it. Got it everyone? Got it everyone? Got it everyone? Soham, did you get it now? Pavitra ma'am, did you get it now? Hello, hello, hello. Fast people, fast. Did you all get it now? Chalo. We'll keep the class till here. Again, we'll be back. The timetable, I'm just sending it in the group chat. Okay. For today's one, So done. Chalo. Let's keep it till here as of now. Okay. Next class 4:30. You will get a picture in the group. Check it there. You will be able to see. Chalo. We'll keep it till here, students. Okay. See you in the next class at 4:30. Complex and quadratic. Okay.